Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. I've been absent for a while, but no particular reason. I was just occupied with other stuff and wasn't really into YouTube, but got another update, and this time it's on the audio system. So I ordered some wood, and that is going to sit in the back of the cab. I can show you how that looks like. So it's still quite messy in here, but it doesn't really matter much. So as you could have seen in the previous video, I deadened the back of the cab. So the carpet is gone and that piece of wood will be mounted here. So that will probably mean that I will trim some of the edge here, maybe even get rid of this jump seat altogether, because it doesn't open due to the new bench. So that's all going to be flush mounted here, and then because I got a nice solid piece of wood that is then mounted to the back side of the cab, I can mount my amplifier here. And as you could have seen maybe in the previous video, I had a little spoiler on it, but this is it guys, here it comes. This is the Rockford Fosgate POWER 1000 from I think early 2000, something like that. I'm not even sure. Maybe I'll leave some more information in the link down below or in the description down below. And before you all freak out, there is something missing. Yes, it's missing with pretty much maybe 70% of all those amplifiers, but I'm not crazy. I've got it. I do have the cover and it sits like this. Yeah, the screws are now in, so it doesn't sit flush, but yeah, it's a complete amplifier. So POWER 1000, 25 to life. It was a limited run. There are some VU meters here in blue. I'm not really happy with the blue, but hey, that's how Rockford envisioned it. So you got your 5 channels because it is a 5-channel amplifier. And then of course I've got my my DSP, this one, and I'm not completely sure yet how, but I think I will run it somewhere down here. So I'm working on the cabling. So I've got this spaghetti nest here, and I'm not really happy with the way Rockford envisioned this. So there will be some kinch connectors unused, so I will be creating my own. But before I know exactly what length I need to make my cabling, I need to fix this. So how am I going to place everything, because I'm a real big sucker for clean wiring. So ideally I want to cut every single cable exactly to length, not a centimeter more or less. Then some nice clean routing for everything. So my speaker cables, they will be routed to either side for the sub and everything. And then this piece will be critical because there will be, two signals coming in. So I just got my left and my right. Then of course the power to this thing. Then I got the output. That will be 6 channels. Well, sub is 1, but there will be 2 connections. So I want to have a clean run. So I might actually also end up something like this. But it's just a matter of just measuring some stuff out. Maybe also do a pre-mounting in the vehicle to see how everything sits and fits, and just take it from there. So it's just a little bit of puzzling. But hey, that's all part of the hobby. I really like this kind of stuff. I just have to think about it, see how everything fits in my mind, and then put it into practice. And yeah, just a small update on the amplifier and the DSP, how I'm going to mount it. Next step will probably be in the next video, of course. And then I will be starting mounting this beast into the truck. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and then I will see you on the next one. Take care, bye bye, and toodaloo.